for Ramadan. We ask Allah to grant us more time in Ramadan, inshallah. And I just wanted to welcome all of you. And today we have spoken about the words of Ramadan. And I see, mashallah, most of the sisters in the back are busy with the food. That needs more effort. I don't have to learn. Okay. So we have a question from Brother Ismail. I will give you 10 seconds as usual, and nobody will answer. So he will take the prize and go back home. So no way to win. Okay? So let's try this time and see. Maybe he will make it too.
Today we have one more question, and the word will be it is a symbol with amethyst, with coral, and the green jade. It's probably around $450. The question, which it is, الآية, everybody know it. Hello, everybody know it. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم. What's the meaning of qayyum? One. Qayyum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No shaking the floor.
Everlasting. Everlasting.
9, 10. I want to go to that. Stay. What's the name? القيوم. What's the name of القيوم? Huh? نعم. This is the right answer. القيوم القائم على شؤون العباد. القائم على شؤون العباد. The one who takes care of all the people or all his creation. Congratulations.
So he asked me now to ask another question, and he said it's only for, that's more expensive. Okay. So do you want difficult one or easy one? Easy question, okay? Are you ready? So what is the name of the president of the Islamic Center of Richey?
Dr. Rahim.
Okay, listen, okay. When the Eid will be? Sunday or Monday?
Monday.
Who knows? Okay, another try. Okay. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam was born in a year. What is the name of this year? Yes, the year of the elephant. Yes. Congratulations. Please give him a round of applause. Okay, the year of the elephant. That was the year that Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam was born on. Actually, one of the things that before we made the Quran, I just wanted to tell you, inshallah, that tomorrow, after after Maghrib, we are giving the announcement for Eid time, inshallah. So please stay tuned. I think all of you have my number. I think most of you are getting the messages by WhatsApp. If you do not get the messages by WhatsApp, text me, Imam, add me to the broadcast. And today we have a special person joining us for iftar. We acknowledge the 6 years he spent with us in Ramadan in the Tarawih. I am personally happy to see him in Ramadan. This is Brother Hafiz Zahra. Please give him a round of applause for welcoming him to our masjid. May Allah bless him along Ya Rabbal Alameen. And also there is something we need to understand before we move forward, that tonight is a very special family for Javid's family, for Dr. Shahina, for Brother Ibrahim. I wanted to thank them for providing the iftar for tonight. May Allah bless them. And for the young generations who might not know about our board members, for many years of the support, of the kindness, of the generosity, Dr. Shahina and the whole family of Javid, Dr. Najam, Dr. Hayat, and also Dr. K, Brother Ibrahim, we always find the support from the entire family. May Allah bless them. And Dr. Shahina and Brother Ibrahim, whenever we call them for any assistance, for any help, for anything for our community, actually, they come and they attend and they show up on the proper time. Whether Dr. K, Sister Asila, Dr. Shahina, Brother Ibrahim, and always Brother Ibrahim, in the difficult time, you will find him supportive, and he is a real man who is taking care of the community members. Please give rounds of applause for Brother Ibrahim and Dr. Shahina, because whatever they are doing for our community, and I'm telling here, my witness for Brother Ibrahim, he's always in the critical times, in the times of the hardship, in the times whenever family loses a beloved person or a deceased, he always shows up and he always gives the support to the family no matter what. Even if he doesn't know the family, even if he's not related to the family, he comes to do the goodness, and that's all. And that shows the kindness in the heart of the man. May Allah bless him, bless Dr. Shahina, and bless the entire family of Javid and Dr. K. May Allah bless all of them. Allahumma ameen ya Rabbal Alameen. Jazakumullahu khairan, and let's raise our hands.